What is that mysterious ticking noise? It's kind of catchy.
Doritos. Snape. Snape. Severus Snape. 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 Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape. Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape. Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Hermione.
Hermione!
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape. Severus Snape.
Harry Potter,
Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Harry Potter!
Harry Potter. 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 Harry Potter.
Snape!
Harry.
Snape!
Harry.
Dumbledore!
Hermione.
Singing a song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source to the ticking. It's a pipe bomb.
Yay! Celebrate good time. Bang! How's it going? Voldemort. Oops. Voldemort. Dumbledore! Dumbledore! Weasley!
Okay, so what do we...
Dumbledore! Hermione! Ron Weasley!
Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Oh, you turned the volume off. That's why. Snape!
Wait. No, I wasn't on.
What happened? Dumbledore!
Hermione.